Join list of lists in Python. Is the a short syntax for joining a list of lists into a single list, or iterator, in Python. For example, I have a list as follows and I want to iterate over A, B, and C. The best I can come up with is as follows.
This is known as flattening, and there are a lot of implementations out there. How about this, although it will only work for one level deep nesting? From those links, apparently the most complete, fast, elegant, etc. implementation is the following.
This gives
If you're only going one level deep, a nested comprehension will also work. On one line, that becomes
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.